Hello everyone, I'm Priyadarshini, a final year student and a proud member of Team Sentinels. And I'm here today to present a solution for Smart City Hackathon 2025 for the problem statement given by Kochi Metro Railway System. Every night, KMRL faces a crucial challenge deciding which train will go into service, which train will remain on standby, and which train will go for the maintenance. As the number of fleet increases from 25 to 40, this manual process will be time consuming, risky, and error prone. A single wrong decision can affect the entire passenger's safety, punctuality, branding commitments, and even revenue. And that's where our solution, Metrofleet AI, comes in. We have designed an AI driven induction planning and scheduling system that automates the 90 decisions. Our platform integrates Maximo job card data, IoT sensor details, operational logs, and depot geometry all unified into a single real time dashboard. As a part of this project, we also visited the Metro Rail headquarters and collected the necessary data required for building the backend. During the visit, we understood how rolling stock operations are managed, how telecom systems support communications, how cleaning and branding priorities are handled, and how different departments coordinate for smooth operations. This real world observation helped us design the system to match actual metro workflows and ensured our prototype aligns with practical requirements. Now, let us move on to the prototype we developed. Our project Metro Fleet is a role based fleet management system for Kochi Metro. We have been provided 4 logins: Operations Supervisor, Maintenance Engineer, Cleaning Supervisor, and Branding Engineer. So, once logged into it, the operations supervisor can access the 3 main sections. In the rollout section, ranks the train as ready for service, standby, and maintenance using the 6 key parameters: fitness certificates, job card cleaning, mileage, branding, and yard position that is shown in green, yellow, and red accordingly to that positions. And also we can filter them accordingly. And the second thing comes fleet management. So here users can see the detailed status of each train, but the view option is yet to be implemented. And in data integration layer, it collects the information from IBM Maximo, IoT sensors, and manual inputs. And in manual override, if any system malfunctions, it lets the supervisor edit their data with a proper authentication system. Only authenticated users can able to edit. And we have also included the regional language support for Malayalam. And we are also working on adding modules like Depot View in the next phase. What if simulation is being implemented and we are using deep learning algorithms and optimization techniques to automate the process. So train ordering can change dynamically when parameters are adjusted. Our solution is technically feasible, built on proven AI and ML optimization techniques, and it's easily integrated with the existing system. And it's operationally viable, reducing daily manual efforts and cognitive load. And it's economically sustainable, directly saving costs and protecting the revenue. But why now? Kochi Metro is expanding. Manual methods will not scale. As the number of fleet increases in other metro like Mumbai and Bangalore, our solution is scalable and replicable across India. In short, Metro Fleet is not just a tool. It's a future-ready automation system that ensures every train that rolls out each morning is safe, reliable, and revenue optimized. Thank you.